In this video, we're going to learn how to mask an image in Google Slides. So stick around, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Hello everyone, welcome back to iTech On Demand. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to mask an image in Google Slides. So masking an image simply means to change the shape of an image. And in Google Slides, you are allowed to do that. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is to open up a Google Slide presentation. You can go to slides.google.com or you can use your waffle in the top right corner of your screen to locate Google Slides. But you're going to open up a document and you're going to go up to your menu and you're going to add a picture. Now you can insert an image from Google Slides or you can upload one from your computer. You can search the web, copy and paste one in, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and add an image to my slide. Once you do that, you're going to go up to the crop tool in Google Slides, and right next to the crop tool, there's a drop down arrow that's called Mask Image. Within the drop down menu, you're going to have multiple options here. You're going to have shapes, arrows, callouts, and equations. So you can change the shape of your image to whatever you want. I'm just going to choose the shapes feature here, and I'm just going to click on a couple different ones so that you guys can see the shape change. All right, so there's one example. Let's do another one. Now, if you, depending on what you're creating, you want to change the shape to whatever you want. Of course, you can adjust the shape however you want as well. So that's it, you guys. This is very simple. Again, it's called Mask Image, and you're just changing the shape of your images in Google Slides. Don't forget to support the channel, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.